Hello everyone, hope so you all are safe and sound. Welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'll show you how to scan a document and make PDF in Honor 500 Smart. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.